Hi guys, welcome to Smart Gan. Today I am in front of you with one more new trick on cube. How to find cube of any two-digit number in a straight line. Yes, how to find cube of any two-digit number in a straight line. Let us start the journey of smart learning. Cube of any number within 5 seconds. Yes. In most of the cases you can find this. So, in a single line you can find cube in a single line. 23 cube. Let me do it for you in details so that you can understand at least one example very clearly. We will write in a single line only, we will write the answer, but let me explain the steps how to do it. We will do it in 4 steps. First, step 1 is we will take unit digit 3, that is 3 cube 27. We will write 7 and carry 2. Yes, this is step 1. Then step 2 is we will take 3, that unit digit 3 square into 10 digit 2, that is 3 square into 2 into 3, that is power 3. That will be 3 square 9 into 2 18 into 3 54 plus this carry 2, 54 plus 2, that is 56. So, we will write 6 and carry 5. This is step 2. Then step 3 is 2 square, that is 10th digit square, 2 square into 3 unit digit, once again into 3, that is power. So, this will be 2 square 4 into 3 12 into 3 36, 36 plus carry 5 is equal to 41. We will write 1 and carry 4, this 5 is cancel. Next step 4 is, that is 2 q 10th digit q 2 q is 8 plus carry 4 is equal to 12. We will write this 12 as both the digits. In each step we will write only one digit and carry remaining, but in last step, step 4, we will write all the remaining digits, that is 23 cube is 12,167. Yes, this way you will do, but these different steps will be done only in mentally without writing any steps. How? Let us take one more example and we will write only answer in a straight line. 42 cube. First we will take unit digit 2, 2 cube 8, as it is single digit we will write itself. In case of more than one digit we will carry remaining digit writing only the unit digit. Then next is, that is 2 square unit digit square, that is 2 square 4 into 4 16 into 3 48. So, we will write 8 carry 4. Next is 4 square 16 into 2 32 into 3, that is power 32 into 3, that is 96 plus 4, 96 plus 4 is 100. We will write 0 carry 10. Then 4 cube, cube of 10 digit 4 cube 64 plus 10 74. So, 42 cube is 74,088. Yes, this is without writing any steps, you can straight write mentally the answer in a straight line. Yes, this is straight line method. Without writing any details steps, we can write straight answer in a single line. Take one more example, 34 cube, that is same way. 34 cube, first we will pick up unit digit 4, 4 cube is 64, we will write 4 carry 6. Next unit digit square, that is 4 square 16 into 3 48 into 3, 48 into 3 is 144. There may be question in your mind how to find 48 into 3. In breakup method you can find it, that is in splitting method you can find 40 into 3 120, 8 into 3 24, 120 plus 24, that is 144. Yes, this is the best way to multiply any number with single digit, any number you can multiply straight. 144 plus carry 6 is there, so 144 plus 6 will be 150. We will write 0 and carry 15, this 6 cancel. Then next is your 3 square, that is 9 into 4, 36 into 3, 36 into 3, 108, 108 plus 15, 108 plus 15, 123. We will write 3, carry 12, then 3 cube 27, 27 plus 12, that is 39. Yes, 34 cube is 39,304. Clear? Take one more greater number, 68 cube, that is 8 cube is 512. We will write 2, carry 51, then 8 square 64 into 6. How to find this? 64 into 6 will be, that is 60 into 6, 360, 4 into 6, 24, 360 plus 24, 384, 384, once again into 3, that is power is 3, 384 into 3 will be 300 into 3, 900, 80 into 3, 240, 900 plus 240, 1140, 4 into 3, 12, 1140 plus 12, 1152. So 51 plus 1152 will be 1203. So we will write only 3 and carry 120. We write only 3 here and carry 120. Next is 6 square, 36 into 8, 36 into 8, that is 30 into 8, 240, 6 into 8, 48, 240 plus 48 is 288, 288 once again into 3 will be 200 into 3, 600, 8 into 3, 240, 600 plus 240, 840 plus 8, 324, 840 plus 24, 864, 864 plus 120, 864 plus 120 will be 4, 628, 984. So we will write 4 and carry 98, we will carry 98. Then 6 cube 216, 216 plus 98, that is 8, 6, 14, 4, carried 1, 9, 10, 1, 11, carried 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4. So 3, 1, 4, 68 cube is 3,14,432. This is your answer. Yes, this way you can find cube of any 2-digit number in a simple straight line without writing anything. Here I am writing and explaining in details to you, that's why taking time, but when you will do yourself you don't need this much time. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe it right now so that whenever I post a video you will get immediate notification. Thank you all, have a nice time.